This is a good morning to one and all. Happy Tuesday.
The thing is, right, good morning. It said it was going to rain today. I looked at the weather forecast, I was thinking, oh, that's a bit annoying, like we're not going to be able to do much. But now it's sunny, the weather forecast is always wrong. Does it say rain?
It's 28 degrees and it's cloudy all day. Oh yeah, yeah, real cloudy. Gotta say, his sunny's off in a minute. Today, slept alright. Actually, I tell a lie, I slept pretty decent. I went to bed quite late because I was watching Toy Story 2. But I managed to finish a vlog quite early, which is nice. Really nice, actually. A bit long doing the vlog and going straight to bed, so I'm gonna try to do that more often. Finish the vlog early days and I can chill out for the evening.
We're going on a little drive.
Off to the cable car today. Join us. Join us.
Genting Highlands.
Well, she has made it. I say she, I mean the moped, and the mopeds, every car has to have a good driver. You can give me an F1 car, won't be any good. Give it to Lewis Hamilton, it'll win the bloody Grand Prix. Same thing with this moped. Give a moped to anyone, they might not make it up to Genting. Give it to me, I'll make it. We are currently 3,551 foot up in the stars.
We're about to go higher.
As you can see, there's mainly clouds everywhere because we're basically in the clouds. I'll try to get some good views for you. Yeah, made it up to Genting. Genting. Made it up to Genting. I didn't know what to expect, to be honest with you. But it's literally like a little bloody town up here. It's a town in the mountains. Do you know what? And do you know what I can smell? McDonald's.
Yeah, they've got Burger King as well.
Yeah. If you are coming to KL and you're hiring a moped, I got up here on a 125cc. It may not be for you if you're a bit of an amateur rider. If you're an amateur rider, don't get a moped in Kuala Lumpur.
Or anywhere.
Yeah, well, anywhere. But obviously we're driving on motorways here. That was a 40-minute journey. Might get a new t-shirt while I'm here. So weird, they got like a Michael Kors, Coach, Armani, like the most designer shops you can think of. Because there's town in the mountains, Polo Ralph Lauren. Let me show you this view. But that's still a hell of a view. Look at that, look at the clouds. You can literally touch them. I bet you that's a bloody good view when there's no clouds in the sky. So we've got 2 return tickets, which cost us 36 ringgit for a sky cable. So I'll put the price on the screen now so you know how much that is. That's cheap. Alright, there we go again.
We can do anything after the one in
Langkawi, yeah. It's just a shame you can't really see much today.
No, you can't at all, it's so cloudy.
Maybe that's for the better. 3,705 feet. And counting.
You said they're going the roller coaster, the one. Is that the roller coaster? Yeah.
Oh, we're here. So have a look over this balcony quick. Whoa.
What even is this?
Is the, yeah. 6,000 feet in the air.
Crazy.
Let's go spend some money. Skytropolis, indoor theme park. Woo! Now we're talking. This is a bit of me.
This is sick.
Let's get on some rides, baby. Woo! That looks cool. Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? Da da da. Snow is glistening. Beautiful sight. Happy to know. That looks amazing. Super. Super glad. That sounds terrible. It's got a wristband for an unlimited pass each, which cost us 180 ringgit. So we shall see what we can do with that. I'll put the first ride of the day. This bad boy looks like an absolutely intense version of Air Galactica, sorry. Let's go through the enthusiasts. Let's give this bad boy a go. Goodness gracious me. Oh, my neck is in. I've just been beaten up. Oh, I'm so sore after that. I don't know if I'd class that as fun, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's no Hyperion, I'll give you that. Giving that a ride out of 10, Molly.
Sit to.
I'm giving it a 5. Spin crazy. Yeah. Let's do this. Thank you. That made me feel sick. Out of 10?
6.
I'm gonna give it a 5. So we're gonna leave the indoor theme park for a bit. Maybe get some fresh air, get a little nibble, I don't know. Well, my ears are a bit weird because of the pressure of how high we are. It's another episode of Should I Open It or Should I Keep It? No, I'm joking. So we've got some crisps.
Not
Now,
just any old crisp.
no, we've got creamy lobster flavours.
Mine and Travis's favourite restaurant is Burger and Lobster, and we just saw one here, but it was like 50 or 40 pounds.
It was, yeah, £45 per person for the burger and lobster combo.
Oh, we love it so much. I wish we could get it, but the budget does not allow.
Yeah, it's £100. £100 gone, that is. There is a casino here, so I said to Molly, why don't we just go and either win some money or not have lunch.
Shall I open them?
Yeah, go on. Smell test.
Smells like cat food.
Can we smell? Ready?
It tastes so fishy. It's unbelievable. Oh no, they're so fishy.
That is disgusting.
Like our breath. No, stop. We're gonna stink of fish.
I'm not eating that.
The thing is, like, The creamy bit of them are nice, but you get this awful like fish taste to start with.
13 ringgit, prices on the screen now. I also got tomato ketchup. Now, I've had these in the UK. I love them, but oh my god. I've just smelt these right now. They do not smell like the ones I've had before. You gonna try one?
Yeah, those are brilliant.
Okay, do you want to do a smell test first? You wait till you smell this.
Oh my god, that is just ketchup.
Alright, taste test.
Because they're really big crisps.
These were so good in the UK, I loved them.
Ready? Oh, we've got 2 bags of crisps that we don't like. What made you think these would be nice?
You know in the UK, right, the flavour doesn't actually taste like ketchup, does it? These actually taste like
Ketchup.
if you had ready salted crisps and dipped it in ketchup.
I feel
Brilliant.
like it's such a waste of food.
Oh, we're gonna eat them. We'll still eat them regardless. But yeah, no good for me. 0 out of 10, Molly.
0.
Oh, so we've just finished those crisps. How was the rest of the bag, Molly?
Really nice.
Yeah, it wasn't actually too bad, to be fair. When after you have like the rest of the bag, it's fine. Anyway, strangely enough, we're still hungry. Yeah, we're still, as if that didn't fill a single hole in our bellies. Oh my god. Santa just twerked. Oh my god.
Did he actually?
I got that on camera. He literally got up and just shaked that booty.
Did he actually?
Trying to get outside. It's starting to feel a bit claustrophobic in here now. Well, we're not really going to spend the day here. We didn't go to the outside theme park. It didn't look amazing, to be honest with you.
It looked like a lot of shop.
That indoor one was probably a bit of a waste of money too.
Yeah, oh well.
Oh well, still a learning curve, experience. And we went on a... I think we went to a theme park, 6,000 feet in the air.
Indoor.
Indoor.
I'm going back. A locker. Where like
Pissing it down. Obviously. Luckily though, we bought our ponchos, didn't we, Molly? No, we didn't. What you're seeing now is all we got. Shorts and top. So, and it's all downhill from here. I've got to get down from 6,000 feet. Don't come up here on a scooter, because the risk of this, thunderstorms and rain is just... So we've had a chat. We've had a thing, and we've decided the safest thing to do is we're going to send Molly back to the hotel on a grab, then I can drive back. There's a few things behind this logic. Firstly, Molly's safety. Main number 1 priority, get her back safely. Number 2, it's going to be easier for me to drive with 1 person rather than 2. I haven't got that thought as well in my mind. Is Molly alright? Thought number 3, if I do fall off the ped, I could probably, you know, I'll toughen up. I'll be alright. She falls off, it's tears. She's out for a week. She can't move. And when she was ill, we knew about it, didn't we? Basically, she falls off the ped. So if I fall off, I'll be alright, because I won't be going at a speed where I'd do myself damage. That's her new phone. Great, eh? That's the plan. Wanted to go back to the hotel. And a nice dry. Alright, for some minute. And I'll get back. I mean, it's not that bad, is it? You know, slippy roads, rainy conditions, minimal visibility. That'd be fine. Poncho secured. Molly is in the Grab. She's in there. Bless her. And now we drive. I don't wanna die. I'm not very nervous at the moment. I know I have to be cautious. I'm not an idiot, but I don't feel very nervous. You can't be nervous in these types of things. You have to be confident. You've got to back yourself. Do you know what I mean? You have to back yourself. A nervous driver, the road knows. The roads are clever, you see. They know, so. Yeah, on reflection, looking back, I don't think it was a very sensible idea to drive a moped up here. But we thought, this is what happens when you try to do shit on a budget. You put yourself in silly situations. But we'll be alright. We move. We've just stopped for, well, I've just stopped for a good break. 5% battery, 17 minutes. Yeah, it's horrible. But we've got to fucking do it. Well, it's not, to be fair, it's not actually that bad. It's not actually that bad. I'm driving very cautiously. It's good. I'll be alright. That was mental. Phone died, and I got to a bit where I thought, I don't know, there's like, because on Kuala Lumpur roads there's like 3 options to go down. I picked one, I didn't recognise the area. I thought, let's go down this one. Turns out it was the right turn. Yeah, thunder, lightning, roads flooded. My feet are soaking from puddles in the road where the water just literally engulfed my foot. Molly's here, which is the safest thing. I'm all good, so we'll have to fight another day up the Reds. Oh, thanks, brother. Good fun. I wanted to do more. There was a crocodile park actually, or like a wetlands, probably about 50 minutes from here. I googled it from where we were earlier and it was 2 hours, and the weather was obviously shocking, and it still is a bit rubbish. So yeah, thank you for watching as always. I hugely appreciate it, and feel free to drop a comment down below. It's nice to talk to yourselves. Like the video, comment, share it with your friends, your family, your mum, your dad, your brother, or sister, and let your cat watch as well. And finally,
subscribe.
All the best. God bless, and ciao ciao for now.